Look at my friend. Today I bought a Gucci AC sneak. Yeah, you can see big. Neat. Yes, neat. And the first, let's check the exhaust first. Shoes come with a shopping bag. You see, shopping bag orange. And the two dust bags, one shoes each. Yes, feels very good. Then the card, yes, a small card, then big card, and let's check the receipt. Yeah, you can see clearly. Then the shoes label, the code number, and the size. Yeah, you can see. Then the most important is the shoes. You know, shoes. Yeah, shoes looks very nice. It's really nice. And let's check the time, the size, and the code number. You can see clearly here. The logo and the made in Italy. Also the heel, you can see. Oh, very good. Then the box, let's check. Box, I can find the made in Italy is here. Yes, made in Italy. Under the box. Yes, it's a strong box. Listen, very strong. So my friends, if you're also interested in Gucci AC sneak, please contact me. See you.